do you attach these to a wreath without no attachment points? All you need is some of these push pins here. You can cut them with a wire cutter because this one would stick all the way through it. Let's see here. Yeah, that should be good. Let's make sure this is thin enough. Just have to cut this one just a little bit more. Don't want it to go through the project, but you just need it to have enough so you can secure one of these pipe cleaners to it. So I'm gonna do, alright. Yeah, that will work. It'll be fun not trying to burn myself, but we'll see. That's where I want the attachment. And all you do is stick this one through just like that. And you just like that. And you can add some more glue to it. But this will be your attachment point. Yeah, I'm going to add a little more glue. Just so it doesn't come apart. And I'll just set this to the side and let that dry. Now let's do this big one. It's the same thing. Yeah, I'll trim these down, but I won't have to trim these as far because this is a bigger thing and it's not going to go straight through. There's no flat side, so let's see here. They look the same, so I'll just do this side. This one, since it's so big, I'm gonna have 2 attachment points. That should be fine. It should not go all the way through. And I'm gonna attach one here. And let's set this up. Okay. Let's do one here and one there. Sure. That should not go through. I hope not. Put that where I want it. Any ideas what I'm going to be doing with these? There we go. Get the glue. Put that in the middle. And all you do is push it in. There we go. A little hot glue on my fingers. Nobody's gonna see the back anyway. I'm just might just do the second. I'm just trying to think I'm putting this. Yeah, maybe I'll do the second part right here. Just so it has a little more. I can leave this a little longer. If I did it farther down, I would have had to trim it. And I'm only doing two on here is because that way it's gonna have less movement. There's another way I could have did this, but I thought it would be easier just to do this. go. And then I just add a little bit of glue to the top, and then I'm gonna let these dry for a while. Yeah, that should be good. I was gonna put one down here, but